All right. Here we go. Here we go. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. All right, it's time to go from party mode to I've got to work today. I don't want to work today. Turn those off. We're gonna stream here, record here. It's all hands-free, baby. America, America. All right. Oh boy, how many minutes left? Oh boy, we have successfully completed our pre-trip. Let's put some air in this bitch. Let's roll a little bit. I'm gonna pull the tractor brake and let the trailer make sure it fills up nice and full. All right, trying to wake up. This fog has got me tired. Where'd you go? Let's do this again. I wasn't recording yet. All right, now we're gonna record. Dual. I can't touch the screen. It doesn't work. I have to use this. All right. It's officially time to go to work. I was off for Christmas for a whole week, and they asked me to do one run real quick from Kansas City to Fort Dodge, Iowa, and then I get to come home and take another week off. Oh my God, how many weeks? Oh, this is only what rich people do. All right. We're gonna play this game. Come on. We're gonna go ahead and play the game. Let's play the air game. All right. Says I got 4 hours and 1 minute till I get there. I'll be there at 12 o'clock. All right, we ready? No more beep beep beep. No more beepity beep. Let's roll out. We're going right for it, baby. It ain't a phase, baby. It's me. All right.